everyone and welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Humbie, and today we are going to be doing some Walmart beauty boxes. So I got an email a few weeks ago and they were having like a special where they had like old boxes and they were only $3.98 each. So I was like kind of curious. So it gave me two options. And I could either choose which box or I can choose both. So I chose both because I was like, okay, let me see what I'm gonna get, right? For $4 each, I was like, I'm sure it's all gonna work out and that's, not gonna break the bank. So let's dig in and see what we got here, okay? So first thing I noticed when I purchased them, so these are like from basically almost a year ago. So when I got the boxes, it did state, let's see if it shows. Can see that, but it is the winter of 2024 and the fall of 2024, so they are almost a year old, but pretty sure it did not state that on the email, but again, I could have overlooked it. So I think I was just too curious to see, ooh, what are we gonna get? So as always, it opens up like this. And obviously these are like about almost a year old. So let's dig in and see what we got here. This is the Olay Cleansing Melts. I actually got one of these in another box and haven't tried it yet. So now I have two. So I gotta give this a shot because I've heard mixed reviews on this. So there you go. It looks like it's just one in here, one application. And this is the vitamin C one. Then we have a pair of the Sally Hansen. This is those like fake nails, the plastic nails. I don't use these. So I'll see if I can hand this over to someone. I don't know if you're able to tell, but there's like a gold stripe in the middle of it. They're pretty. We have a travel size Degree spray deodorant. I don't really like Degree, but I like to have these for when you're like traveling or just to keep it in your bag and your deodorant's not working. It's just a quick little apply. It takes you out of a bind. This I'm actually excited about. This is from NYX. This is the Duck Plump. I've actually have been wanting to try this, but I never did because again, I don't like plumping. I don't like that pain of that, irritation. It says extreme It says extreme sensation. So, I wonder if, I don't know. I don't like that burning sensation. That's why I really, really like the MAC, and also from NYX, the oils that they have. It's amazing. The chill oils, perfect. But I'm excited to try that actually. And then we have this here from Kristen S. This is a reconstructive moisture mask. So I'm excited to try that. I could probably get like 2 uses out of this. And last thing we have here is from Eva NYC. This is a Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. Okay. So not bad for $3.98, right? So let's see what we got in the winter one from last year. Again, I don't know. I just thought this was going to be fun for like $4. Oh, wow. We have a full-size item here. This is from Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls. This thing is huge. I'm sure that bottle right there paid for this whole box, maybe even the other one. I was trying to see if it had the price on here, but I don't see that item in here. Well, they have the Miss Jessie's Feather Soft Curls, and that one is $22. So this is a different product, but it's the same brand. So I'm assuming it's probably going to be around that price, same ounces. Then we have this here from EOS. This is a 24 Moisture Super Balm. And then we have coconut milk. And then we have this here from number 7. This is the Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum. And then the final thing is just a little sample here of the Palmer's Coconut Butter. This is Shimmer Radiance Body Glow. Whew. For the holidays, even for summer. Why not? Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with these boxes, and especially the cost. You can't go wrong with it, right? I feel like these boxes normally are like $6 and change. So I know that I'm probably going to be getting the fall one coming up soon of this year. So once I get that, I'll definitely, you know, do an unboxing of that. I'll probably do a short. I think that's what I've been doing. I really enjoy doing shorts. But guys, let me know if you guys saw this and if this came to your email of this offer. I think it's pretty good. If I get it again, I absolutely will be repurchasing again. I like getting these boxes and not really knowing what's in there. So I just want to thank you so much for watching. If you haven't so already, please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that like button. It truly means the world to me. Thank you and have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.